At this gorgeous view. Dun. What's the flow, everybody? This is me, your digital drifter, Linnea, and I'm on a motorcycle. We are on our way to the mountains, to Napo, actually. My friends and I decided to go hiking or trekking today, and we met at the Guadalupe Church. Thank you, Kuya, for driving me to the drop-off point, and we will start our trek there. So I asked my friends Dorel and Ariel to accompany me trekking because I miss this activity so much. So thank you guys.
We met a friendly mountaineer on the way up. Attorney Glenn was so kind to us and he even helped me take photos and videos. Thank you so much, Sir Glenn. The Babag to RCPI trek generally takes around half a day, but since I just got back to trekking, we were slow and it took us a whole day.
So hangak na kayo guys. I'm not in the best of conditions. But yeah, Ariel is the sweeper for today. So pasensya na saan.
Kira kayo.
So muna ako mga bodyguard today guys.
We the North.
The North.
Yes.
With the North, say with the ang Raptors or ang
Oh,
kuwan?
Raptors.
Ya ang kuan ang Golden State unsa lang ging dato.
Sports.
Strength in numbers.
Oh, three numbers. Pero sa tanay. Nana sila city sa
Lahi ra jud basta guys akong kuyog.
Ngano day ko mga babae day.
Lahi sa nang istoryaan. Beauty.
mga relasyon.
Oh, well, I was gonna say that, but I thought that was obvious. Hi,
Uy, na motor.
magrelasyon ta sa nature.
Sakto magrelasyon sa
Sa to order, disconnect.
Disconnect to connect.
Oh, wow. Sa mga wise words, manggawas basta naka sa jungle. Our destination, guys, is 6 hours. Actually, na motor sa magpadaplin na pud ko.
Okay na dira.
Saba.
Santa.
Ito saba. Diri.
At some point, we came across this tiny stream. It was just so calming, and the jungle was so green and lush, and there were also other trekkers, and it was just so nice how everyone was friendly to each other.
So here we are starting with the very steep climb, quote unquote. So according to Ariel, this is the real start of the trek. So okay, I will prepare my heart for this. I really love to be back in the jungle again with the green leaves, the smell of the trees, and the raw earth. It's amazing. Hi. Hello, kid. Hello, kid. Hi, kid. Oh, look, it's so cute. Oh my god, the mother. Hi, mother. Hi, don't bite me. Oh my god, I don't have food. Oh. It's so cute. Oh my god. This is the fun of being on the trail, guys. Chicken is just there. Oh, hi, thank you. Good morning. So we've been trekking up a steep slope for the most part of the past 30 minutes. And we've come across this path, which I think is very interesting. Oh my god, that's so cool, guys. Trees, like ancient trees and magical forest. You hear that, guys? Gangis or cicadas, right?
Karang pinakadagko may kuan.
Lumboy, guys. Guys, lumboy. Oh my god.
Tilawin ay kanang kinaituman.
Sige.
Di ka?
Tigay ko gusto.
Kanay ihatag na niya ano eh.
Kani? Mungyo dyan sa hugasam.
Amis lagi.
Lami lagi na. Lami na upload.
Upload.
What is upload in English? Bitter? Sour? One of the awesome reasons why we like to climb, we like to climb, is the awesome views we get to see while on top of mountains or hills like this.
Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we.
The reason why this trail is called Six Towers, according to our master Ariel over there, is because of these towers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those are the 6 towers of doom. Oh no, wrong video. So we're sitting here because I'm about to get a cramp. So we just passed by a cliff actually, and there's more cliffs behind us, which is more difficult. So I'm just sitting here and resting, gathering my soul back to my body. So this is the sounds of the jungle with speakers. When you say nothing at all. The sounds of the jungle, courtesy of Sir Glenn and his speakers. Oh, it's water bottle plus speaker. Cool. Money siyang power sa mga master, guys. So the cramps are real. So napalata sa ko diri. In the jungle, your seats are the tree roots, rocks, and you get to hear stories of masters like me. Oh, kana mga powerful na kana sila. Hi. They said we're near to the top once we enter this portal. The portal of good fortune and prosperous life. Akong mga supportive photographers, guys. Si Sir Glenn o si Ariel. Na mag-trek ka through the jungle and listen to Bruno Mars, Versace on the floor. This is such a unique experience. I love it. So we're going up there, very steep, guys. But with country music, we can do it. Woo! After a particularly steep climb, we finally reached the top, the peak. I'm still catching my breath, but we're here. I made it. Yay! I'm alive. Made it.
Na dito ang 7-Eleven. Tura.
So lunchtime. Ariel had his hammock laid out like that so that we'll have a table or a picnic blanket slash hammock. And the guys are just resting, trading stories again. We'll have our lunch now and enjoy the gorgeous view around us.
Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
So sa among ka-chill guys ni Uwan. So good luck ani ron sa pagdaog.
At this point, it rained really hard. We had to go back down though, so we had no choice but to be wet.
Ano diri?
Kita to low.
Oh.
Guys, so this is my return of the comeback
Yeah.
for trekking, and Babag RCPI greeted me with so much amazingness.
Yeah.
It was sunny, there were great views, and now there's fog. It's amazing. Thank you guys.
As it turned out, we were all mobile photography enthusiasts, so despite the pouring rain and getting wet, we took our time here and took so many photos. The fog was amazing and it just was very photogenic.
We are now inside Sir Glenn's car. We are on our way home. We got rained on, but it was still so much fun. This is such a very unique and memorable return to trekking life for me. Thank you, Ariel, for guiding and for lending me his raincoat and rain jacket, and Dorel for keeping the energy up the whole way. Like, he has too much energy. I wanted to smack him at one point. And thank you, Sir Glenn, for all the photos and amazing videos, and then driving us home. So amazing. Today is amazing. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. Like and subscribe, and catch you on the next Digital Drift.